Hi guys, welcome to Twinkletalks. Hope you all are doing good. I am Twinkle. I recently read a quote that said, "You do not decide your future, you decide your habits, and your habit decide your future." Wow, as much as I study people including myself, I can honestly say that is 100% truth. It really is that simple because you can decide all day long what you want out of your life. But if you do not change your daily habits to match what you want, then you will never get what you want. Those daily habits make you a success or a failure. I can hear you saying that you want this or that, but you work so much as you just don't have the time to accomplish your dreams because you have a family and you have no choice to work. I am telling you, you can make excuses or you can make your dreams come true, but you can't do them both at the same time. People who accomplish many things in their lives are very poor at making excuses, and people who accomplish little to nothing are rich in making excuses. Excuses are useless. Successful people don't get there by accident. They get there by identifying their goals and integrating habits of mind, body, and spirit that support their goals into their daily lives. It is through these daily habits that progress is enjoyed. As you start making progress towards your goals, a couple of great things happen. Your habits become part of your normal daily routine, and the success you enjoy through the implementation of your habits reinforces your positive changes and encourages you to develop new habits to propel you to new levels of success. Everyone has his own idea of success. Usually it is defined by the thing that their soul craves the most. It can be money, fame, weight loss, freedom, power, affection, love, or security. It is different for everyone. We all have goals, and 78% of those goals do not lead to behavior change, meaning they are not realized. The science is clear. If you want to achieve your dreams, you have to start by implementing good habits in daily life. We see it in our society these days that on a regular basis, we see that many people suffer from sadness. Many of our younger generations are facing this problem. But the most common problem is that we always focus on our results. So, focus on your habits rather than on your final output. But the thing is, we don't know how our habits actually work and how they affect our future. A habit is something you do frequently. In other words, this is the behavior you do repeatedly. But no matter what your idea of success is, you can determine your likelihood of achieving your version of success by taking a look at your habits. If you are struggling to achieve goals or are hoping to move forward in certain areas in your life, it may be time to adjust some habits. Drop some habits that no longer serve you and acquire some new habits in order to realize your dreams. If you are hoping to lose 10 pounds or create a spiritual practice or quit your day job and start a new heart-centered business rather than making huge changes in your routine that have proven time and again too difficult to maintain, take small steps every day toward your goal through new, smaller, attainable habits. Small changes in your daily life are much easier to integrate and they will create noticeable differences in a matter of weeks and months. I am working towards some really big goals by integrating small daily habits into my routine. Some of my ideas of success are below. Brain loves tough thinking but has limited ability to do so. We only change one habit at a time. That is why we can talk and drive on the phone once we become expert in driving a car, but not when we are first learning to do so. Here I am sharing some good habits of mind, body and spirit to support your dreams. Some of these habits are the best daily routine of successful people. Old ways won't open new doors. Just as you have to prioritize saving for long-term financial goals, you have to prioritize your personal development and self-improvement if you want to become the kind of person who can face any challenge. Keep searching until you find what you want. It's easy to settle for what's in front of you, but the best leaders see opportunities where others see nothing. Begin now to discipline yourself to seek out answers, do research, and look for solutions rather than problems. Trust is earned when actions meet words. Trust is a fragile thing, easy to break, easy to lose, and one of the hardest things to ever get back, especially when you're looking to create partnerships and relationships that will help you succeed. Reading changes lives. Readers have a wealth of knowledge and experiences. It's easy to let the reading habit fall off when life gets busy, but you owe it to your future to make the time. Every choice you make has an end result. If you are at a point in life where it's a temptation to switch to autopilot, keep yourself making intentional choices every day based on your life plan and long-term goals. Don't allow your life to become a clumsy series of unplanned events and outcomes. Flexibility is the key to stability. We have heard it a million times. The only constant is change. That means the most important skill is the ability to embrace change and adapt. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willing to learn will always be up to you. Learning can be attained through reading, paying attention, and by deliberate efforts to stay on top of current developments in your field, community, country, and the world. When you are open to learning, you are open to growing. Think and be positive, and positive things will happen. Invest in the future with the spirit of making every day a great day. Don't give toxic people or negativity the slightest foothold, and commit to staying positive through good times and bad. Learn to go confidently in the direction of your dreams. If you have tendencies towards people pleasing and a need for approval, start now to replace them with confidence. Belief in yourself is a valuable asset to carry into the future. Gratitude turns what you have into enough. Wherever you find yourself in 5 years, you will be a happier person if you learn to be thankful for whatever you have. It is not happy people who are thankful. It is thankful people who are happy and successful. The meaning of life is to give life meaning. Be ready to set new standards higher than the ones you have today. The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away. Now, don't tell me you don't have the time to succeed in life doing what you want. You have to put first things first. You have to create time sometimes to do the things you want, but once you create that habit, it will start to create your future. That's all for this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. You can catch me on Instagram as well. Comment me below what are some habits you need to adjust, adopt or let go of. What are your ideas of success for your life? Till then, have fun and enjoy life.